Yo, as you can see, we're still here, still the same setting, still the same shirt, meaning that it's still the same day. I seem to just love making tons of videos in one go. There's something about it I just enjoy. My name is Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski, and welcome to another video, my friend. Part 2 this time of the manifestation series. I covered them partly in the past, but now I expanded upon them. I gained deeper understanding, and it's good to share what you know, and it's good to update that which you know from time to time to those listening. So last time we covered the victim, and now we're finally moving into the state of choosing. So last video I covered this. We have 4 stages: victim, choosing, manifesting, creating, right? We got to the level of choosing. Now you're starting to choose. I'm choosing to eat breakfast. I'm choosing to tie my shoes. I'm choosing to go for a walk. I'm choosing to watch TV. I'm choosing to change the channel. I'm choosing to pick up the remote, and I'm choosing to put it down. See, there are so many choices that you're making every single time, and that changing that within your mind, that's going to expand your awareness. This is actually a very good form of meditation, so to speak, because the point of meditation is to expand your awareness, and becoming aware that you're choosing within your life is also going to expand your awareness. Easy. And once you recognize the choices that you have, eventually you're gonna see that you're presented with choices, and you're gonna have to pick. And this, you could be standing in the kitchen and somebody says, would you like an apple or an orange? And in the beginning, you're going to pick between the two. You're going to say, well, no, orange. But as you start to make the choices and you become aware of your choices, you're going to see that there are choices that are beyond that which is just presented to you. So, to put it differently, the moment you walk into the kitchen and your friend says an apple or an orange, you're gonna say, well, do we have any blueberries? And he goes, yes, we actually have some in the fridge. Let me get them for you. You see? So, there'll be choices presented to you. People will be presenting you with choices, and you're going to become aware that there could be better choices outside of what you're presented. So you're starting to go beyond that which is just in front of you, and you're starting to see the choices that are on the, let's just say, outskirts of perception, where you don't know if it's there, but if you ask, you may receive. Ask and you shall receive. And therefore, as you start to expand yourself beyond just that which you perceive, and you start to choose things in a more abstract way, let's just call it. Choosing blueberries over orange is a very concrete thing, very physical thing, but from the space of choosing it was quite abstract because you went outside of the box. And the more you start going outside of the box, the more you start to touch upon the potentials. And the potentials are very interesting, my friend, because that's the next step. The next step is you recognize that your choices have power and you could choose things in certain alignment in order to get to a certain destination. So not only do you recognize that your choices matter, but you also recognize that you can choose a certain pattern of choices to get in a certain position. So you can choose to go to the gym once, but you can recognize that if you continue to train in a certain way, if you continually choose to train in a certain way for a prolonged period of time, you're going to create a certain body. You're going to manifest a certain body. And so you start to move into the realm of manifestation, where you start to link different choices along the way on your path to manifest that which you want. You're going to manifest that which you desire. And by manifesting that which you want and that which you desire, blah, 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 that which you need, so on and so forth, you're going to start to recognize the power of your manifestation and that you can manifest anything in your life. In the beginning, it's maybe simple. In the in the future it might be more complex, but manifestation is manifestation. You can create entire universes, manifest entire universes for yourself to play within. That's probably levels of creation already, but we'll touch on that very soon anyway. So as you move beyond what you can just see in front of you, you go into the potentials, you can start aligning your choices into manifestations. And manifestations is, how do I get from point A into point B? So you see on the victim and choosing level, you're here in the present moment, but as you start to go beyond that which you just can see in front of you, you start to go into the potential self. So you are the current self, but you can conceptualize a potential better self where your life is potentially better in some way, shape, or form. And that's what a manifestation is. In the most simple way, it's you manifest a different version of yourself that is somehow better, more fulfilled, happy, whatever it may be, than the current one, because it has something, or it is something that this one is not. But that is, of course, a very limited way of perceiving it, and we'll cover that later on, especially when we get to the creation. And this is how you get to the level of manifesting. So choose, recognize that there are choices that are not just presented to you in the given moment. When presented with choices, recognize that there could be more choices that you're unaware of, and see if you can find any. And then start taking these choices and see how you can align certain choices in order to have a better future. Let's just call it manifestation. So one quick example would be, in the morning I get up and I choose to get up in the morning first, then I choose to meditate, then I choose to eat a healthy breakfast, and then I choose to listen to a motivational song, motivational speech that gets me pumped for the gym. So I choose to go to the gym and exercise, because I am aware that the choices that I make in the morning will have the impact upon me when I go to the gym. If I chose the day before to drink lots of alcohol, and then I got up very late, and then I actually don't have time to go to the gym, that is choices that I've made as well. And you start to recognize the patterns of choices within themselves. And that's what leads you into manifestation. So recognize which choices lead into other choices, and what choices lead into other choices, and which choices you're choosing to choose. See, you're starting to choose your choices. That's how you get into manifestation. Blessings be upon you, my friend. Have an absolutely amazing day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Consider liking the video, sharing it. You know, it'd be nice if more people became aware of the choices that they have within their life. Have an amazing day, and until next one.